Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 29 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Now, we are currently at 6,644 active listings. Let's go and check out our orders. I believe we had around 10 orders today that came through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11 orders in total. 15.60, 38.60, 47.60 plus $20, 15.60, 31.60 plus 20, 6.60, 18.60 plus 20, 20.60, and 39.60, 20.60, 5.60. Okay, so that looks like there's 11 sales that came in today. Let's go to our performance and check our traffic. Cool. In the last 30 days, we had 6.8 million impressions. Guys, that is amazing. Let's go to our listing views are at 9,347 and we have sold around 100 items minus 10 that came in the next day. So we are at 90 sales. If I'm not mistaken, I think we had 10 sales that came in the next day. So far, our click-through rate is 0.1%. Our sales conversion rate is 1.1%. Let's go and check our impressions. We had a little bit above 550,000 impressions. Going to our listing views, as you can see, we are at above 1,500 listing views for the day. Let's go to quantity sold. We have sold 10 sales and 5 of them came from organic and 5 of them came from promoted. All right, guys, so far, so good. As I've mentioned it, our sales are keep increasing every single day. No surprise, we are making more money than ever. Guys, if you're someone that's serious in investing in your teachings, in investing in yourself, you can join to my WhatsApp group and apply for my mentorship program where I hold your hand and show you how to replicate everything that I do and explain you the algorithm and just basically everything that you need to know all together in a bundle. There is nothing more valuable that I could possibly give you if you wanted to replicate this success for yourself. And the second offer that I have is a done for you method where if you live in Australia or in America, I can partner up with you and I can run your eBay store for you, and from the commissions that we get, from the profit that we get at the end of the month, I can give you a percentage out of that, which literally is the definition of a passive income. You don't have to do anything. I would handle all of the expenses. All you have to do is sit back and be ready for the money flowing in. As you can see, we have so much money coming in from one account. If I can do this, I can replicate it once again and again and again, which I've done it throughout my selling journey. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and join my WhatsApp group. I will see you guys in the next video, which is tomorrow. Stay tuned and take care.